criminal justice system, and they finally had a monumental impact on the president himself. Victor Willis, one of the original members of the Village People,
shall we go out and broadcast DVD? Or not broadcast, but
the Village People will no
film
longer
DVD.
allow Trump to use the song YN.
First we'll film the cousin. Hello, cousin. Here's my multi-millionaire cousin here. No? You don't think so?
I wish.
And over here, I'll put this on so you can see. And over here, Ita Pooh. Hi, Pooh. You're a cool girl. Yes, you are. That's our Pooh Bear. Yeah, that's our Pooh Bear. Yes, you are. You're a cool girl. Yes. Hey, folks. Mwah. That's our Pooh Bear. Yes, that's our Pooh. That's a cool girl. That's her nose. That's a Pooh's nose. And there's a Pooh butt. And over there's a butt head. Butt head. Yep. Okay, folks, this is out here. This is why, precisely why, we're in a high wind warning. This is why, right here, right here. Winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 60 miles or 65 miles an hour, something like that. So this is very, 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 very. Pooh-Bert! She can't hear me. I'm gonna see if I can get Pooh to look out the window to see me. But Pooh won't, but Pooh doesn't hear me. This is the wind, folks. Although right now it's not much, but this is filling the weather. This is after the storms have passed through. That wind is something else. Wait till I actually gusts. I'm not gonna put the camera on the tripod because the tripod will get blown away. I'm not gonna do that now. Okay, you know, we're gonna go inside. Ah.
That was quick.
Yeah, I was filming the wind.
Wow.
Yep. There you go. Hi, AJ.
Hi.
You're being watched.
Yay.
And I don't even have the camera on me.
Yay.
You slacker.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
You take your sleeping pill?
Yes. I have to be up early in the morning, remember?
It's only 11:42.
AJ,
What?
I have to be at the office at 10 o'clock in the morning.
That's never stopped you before.
So I'm going to have to get up at 9:15 at least.
That's never stopped you before.
Well, you know what? Dude, I'm already getting tired anyway for some reason.
That's your fault.
And there's our beautiful Pooh-Bert. Our beautiful Emmy Bear. Yes.
You take your sleeping pill. Go to bed.
I just took it.
Well, go to bed then.
No.
Go to bed.
It's like this. I just took one, but it doesn't kick in that. What?
Sleep. Sleep.
Hey! I get your food.